What's going on, everyone? So, SIBO BZX Exchange, the SEC has disapproved a proposed rule change to list and trade shares of the Wisdom Tree Bitcoin Trust under BZX. Now, the reason they give for denying this, let's see. So, it does not have comprehensive surveillance sharing agreement with a regulated market of significant size related to Bitcoin. As a result, the Commission is unable to find that the proposed rule change is consistent with the statutory requirements. The Commission again emphasizes that its disapproval of this proposed rule change does not rest on an evaluation of whether Bitcoin or blockchain technology more generally has utility or value as an innovation or an investment. Rather, the Commission is disapproving this proposed rule change because, as discussed below, BZX has not met its burden to demonstrate that its proposal is consistent with the requirements of the Exchange Act Section 6(b)(5). Now, remember, Gary Gensler is a crypto guy, so it's likely he has the wherewithal to obviously make it very difficult for these people to get these loophole-filled filings passed through. So they've been trying to go for a Bitcoin ETF all year long. The SIBO BZX Wisdom Tree just got denied, and they haven't done their job as far as putting the stuff together that applies by the rules. So, anyways, I'll leave this below if you want to take a look. But it has not met its burden to demonstrate that it's designed to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts. So there you have it.